Welcome. So you're interested in my channel. That's awesome. Well, my channel is all about do-it-yourself projects indoors and outdoors, as well as home product reviews. At this point, you're probably wondering who I am and what my story is. Well, let me just say I've always had a passionate mind, and what I love most is finding solutions. With that said, I was a master mechanic for over 5 years after 3 years of college, and moved on to becoming an electrician and a smart light programmer. On this particular property, there are endless amount of projects, from gardens to electronics. We have it all here. Sometimes our modern daily life needs a little reviewing, so please join us and find your next inspirational idea. Please subscribe if you like what you see.